So hello guys, welcome to another session of our tutorial on Canva site or Canva application if you are opportune to download it. So welcome to Jay's YouTube channel on YouTube. So I'm going to help me subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell. So today we're gonna be talking on how to create a banner, how to design a banner on Canva application. Let's just we've opened our site, which is canva.com. So let's create a design. Then let's just type banner. Let's type on this banner. There are different sizes of banner. So this we won't be using this. I have to go back. So go to the one. So that's banner. So let's click on this. 72 by 36 inches. Good. So here's an example of a banner. And these are templates in which we can just pick and edit it and input our own text we want or would like to be in it. So first, to add a background to this banner right here, let's just click on, you can see background, or you can also download a background from Google or anywhere. You can see different kinds of background. You can just take this. You can see that's the background. So you can just change its opacity, its transparency. You can see. You can see. So just leave it like this. Now first to add the text, just click on this text. So we can just add a little. Let's click on shares. So I silly stuff. I see the stars. You can see that I see the stars right here. So let's resize it and make it bigger. Let's move it to the top. So you can just add another text. Let's take this. So just type twinkling at my site. So for it to be in a single row, So that's it. You can hide text, and you can just add a video like animation or so. So you can just add it, and also elements. You can see. Let's type this. Maybe we're gonna see it. So let's set it there. So you can see element to start. Don't forget the one with the crown icon means we're gonna buy them. This is free. So that's it. Let's even add an element. Let's check what we get out. Okay, that's all. That's all. So let's click on animate. You can see. So this is we're gonna be ending, or this is we're gonna be ending a tutorial for tonight on designing a banner on a Canva site or application. And I really appreciate you for listening and watching. And don't forget, I'm imploring all of you and all Yoruba so people watching this video to just please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and also click on the bell button beside it to receive more notifications on more courses on this. So our next class we're gonna be learning how to create. So we're gonna be learning how to create a poster using this Canva application. So thank you guys, and thanks for watching once again. I really appreciate you. So see you next time. Thank you. Bye.